Hi there, my name is Cheryl Stewart and welcome to the Restricted Security Area Surveillance module. As we know, in order to prevent apron, taxiway, and runway intrusions, securing airport perimeter is key as it's the first line of defense. There's extremely high costs associated to a single breach in airport perimeter that results in flight delays, cancellations, diversions, misconnections, as well as negative image of airports as well as airlines. For example, the Gatwick Airport drone incident that happened last December affected a total of 140,000 passengers, 1,000 flights, across 3 days of operations, and it cost airlines a total of $64.5 million in losses across these 3 days. Therefore, having a secure perimeter intrusion detection system is vital to prevent issues like these. Genetec's restricted security area surveillance is able to help airports expand their security coverage by unifying perimeter and ground protection with video. It's able to spot intrusions through real-time interactive maps with advanced tracking of targets. The system is able to monitor threats across a wide area with a range of different technologies under a single visualization pane. It also provides centralized decision-making and situation management systems for faster response time. Airports are normally faced with multiple different detection systems like radar systems, CCTV, fence monitoring systems to manage, and these systems are oftentimes siloed. With Genetec's RSA surveillance solution, it brings all these technologies from different manufacturers together, such as fence protection, LiDar, or radar devices, and combines it under a single visualization pane for enhanced monitoring. By bringing multiple technology under a unique, consistent pane, instead of needing to figure out which system out there spotted the intrusion, the security officer can concentrate on how to quickly track the target to better intercept and resolve the intrusion. So here we see the different colors of the zone representing if the zones are armed or disarmed or if an intrusion has occurred. An alarm is also generated when an intrusion occurs to not just enhance situational awareness, but also for reporting purposes. Now here we have Ed. Ed seems to have lost his way and is walking towards the airport's restricted perimeter. Our system recognizes his approach and tracks his movement and position in real time. His speed and direction of travel is presented on the visual pane and the PTZ cameras automatically follows him. Now as Ed moves through the restricted surveillance area, the video feed automatically switches to the nearest camera for the continuous motion. Ed now decides to climb over the fence and into the restricted zone. Operators can add target descriptions from the text icon on the right for reporting purposes. And as you can see, the zone on the map now turns red to showcase a breach of perimeter. So if you want to know more on Genetec's RSA solution, please write to us at airports@genetec.com. Thank you very much.